What's up, YouTube? This is Jason. So today we're replacing valve seals on my buddy's 97 Acura Integra. Let me show you all what we got working on right here. So before I get started, let me see Miguel. I want to explain to these guys what's going on. So on these valve seals, he's replacing them because I guess on he's been eating like 4 quarts of oil in like 2 or 3 weeks. So that's an obvious sign of like valve seal, you know, old, wear, tear, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to explain to y'all exactly what we did. So we took out all the camshafts, cam cap, bolts, and everything. This right here, it's a nylon rope. I know most people probably would say not to do it, but you know, you got to work with what you have. So we put like 6-7 foot of rope inside of the combustion chamber and brought the piston up to where it's at top dead center on number 2 and 3. And yeah, so you tug on it, there's nothing in there. So it actually holds tension for the valves right here. That way the valves don't float into the piston or the cylinders. So that's good on that. We already replaced one right here. It's he went with SuperTech valve seals. We're fixing to take off this exhaust stock valve seal that's on here, and I'll show you exactly the process of how to do that. And yeah, guys, so it's pretty cool. I got my little tool right there to, you know, compress the springs and everything. So we'll set the camera down and show y'all exactly what we got going on over here real quick. So get a little 45-degree needle nose plier. You go ahead and stick it in right here. You stick it in, and whenever you do it, you gotta twist and pull. So I'll show you. Get a better grip at it. God damn. Oh, fuck. No mames.
What? That's not good. That's not good at all.
Come on, man.
That one's in there good, huh?
Yeah, there it is. Damn. Woo!
Ooh, yeah, you fucked that one up.
And just like that, guys, we pulled this one out. That was a pain in the ass to get out. So that's that. See, we got this get this light in here. You see, there it is right there. So here you go, Miguel. Hold the camera. I'll show these guys what's going on. So where's the other package at?
Here, I got one in my hand.
So let me show y'all exactly what we got going on right here. You stick this in right here, seat it flush, get it on there, and now she's over the valve. So now you get a 10 millimeter deep socket and a 10 millimeter extension, and you can hear it bottom out. And just like that, guys, the seal is bottomed out. And there's that. So now what we're going to do is put the springs and keepers back in. And show you exactly what we got going on real quick. on before.
Yeah, there you go. Now that hole should be big enough so your finger can fit in it so you can hold it in place. Yeah, there you go. Careful.
Okay, now let me show y'all guys. So with this right here, these keepers right here, they're already on the valve. So now, just go ahead and loosen up the tension on it. And just like that, guys, you repeat the steps and go from there. So that's that, guys. So that's just a little video of spring compressing, taking off, and replacing the old seals and pulling old seals off, putting new ones on. So that's going to be the video today, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If it was useful, or you need more stuff to learn, let me know down in the comments below. And we will have some dyno videos this weekend, hopefully, with the car, race car should I say. She's back there chilling. Just chilling, soaking up that vitamin D. So, yeah, guys, catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to know whenever I upload a video. And, yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.